Good morning. We're finally back. Sorry about the long wait. Things have been going crazy at this end. But we're back now. So here's what we've got. We've got our base all set to go. We have got our acrylic rod that's set for the aircraft. The P-3 is all set. We've got a little hole drilled in it, so it will sit nice and stable just like that. And then our Oscar is going to be right here, surfacing through the water. So that is the plan. So today we're going to work on the ocean, and we will be using the aluminum foil method for the water, and of course, you know, you'll get to see all that. So with that being said, we're just gonna jump right into it and get to work. So yeah, be right back. Okay, we've cut the foam away, well, torn the foam away, and you can see something like an ocean. Now what's going to happen now is we're going to cut out the area for the sub, and then we're going to foil over the whole thing and white glue and all that sort of stuff. So hold tight and just keep going. there we go. So we've put several layers of foil down, and now we've put a final layer over. That's the surface. And you can see now how it replicates water a little bit. Next we'll be placing our sub in, and then we will coat everything in gesso. So what we will be using is a gloss gel, and that will be painted over the entire surface, and this will dry clear, and basically we can add to it later, make waves and that sort of thing. But right now we're just gonna coat everything in a nice layer, making sure we get these edges to pack down like that. Clear everything off the wood. And this will help to make the foil adhere to our board. So that's what's coming up next. So we'll just continue on, shall we? And here we are. So we have completely gelled the sea. Got a spot here that keeps trying to lift up on me, but we're gonna fix that. There we go. And by using the brush and pushing down and tacking up like this, we're creating light waves all over the ocean surface. Then of course you can use it to sculpt some of the bow wake or the bow waves that are going to come off the sub, like so. And then once this is dry, we'll take we'll use cotton, and we'll start forming the waves that usually show up on the bow of the submarine when it's surfacing. So, you know, we'll have those stripes of waves that are coming off, and more small waves along the side and everything. Now, I did coat the submarine in a light layer of gesso, and that's going to give it a very shiny, wet look, because it's just popping to the surface, so that's the idea. So, that's what we got for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Look for another video very soon, and I do mean very soon, because I'm ready to finish this little project up. So, once this dries, then we'll start working on the next bit. One of the things I'd like to tell people is when you do these, you tend to gotta watch these edges, because people, you know, you kind of get the gesso up to the edge, and then you forget to model that edge, and you end up with this really smooth area right along the edge. It just doesn't look right. So I always tell people, make sure that what I'll do is I'll see how I'm brushing up onto the wood, and then I'll just wipe the wood off. That way it looks like the waves are continuing, you know, off this board like that. All right, we're done. We're gonna let it dry. Stop fiddling with it, Chris. No more fiddling. Gonna let it dry. See you in a little while. Have a great day, and as always, keep on modeling. Hope you stay safe. Bye-bye.